What's up, tubers? My good friends over at FavorLite, L-I-T-E, sent me an LED multifunction work light for a review. Now, if you want to become one of my favorite friends, go to my channel, click on About, you'll find my email address, and feel free to email me a request for me to do a review in exchange for the product. On the box, nowheres does it say FavorLite, the name of the company. It just says Gooseneck work light made in China. And this is it. You get a USB-C. Luckily, everybody is now changing over to USB-C charging cables. So, real quick, we got a light. It's pretty heavy. It's got, see those in the corner? Those are magnets. We'll test those in a minute. It's got a clip here to put on the cable here. We don't need any wrapping stuff. We'll put this back on. So you could use this to hang something on, or you could use this to hang the light from. You got a lot of flexibilities on it. On the back of it, you've got your USB-C in and a regular old USB out. So you can use this to charge your cell phone if your cell phone battery is going dead. This electrical 4.0 box cover. One magnet right there. Look at that. Strong enough to hold that. Two magnets. Strong. Use all four of those. That's not going anywhere. I don't want to do that because that'll scratch that up. Now, the question is, how many batteries are in here? So I'm assuming up here on top, you got your electronics and your switch. I'm assuming this part right here is all your electronics. And I'm hoping that this down here would be your lithium ion batteries. And if that's the case, you probably got three of them. You know, whether they're the 71s or the 86s or whatever. Even if they were AA batteries, you could put four of them in there. So that should last a good long time. When it's off, there's nothing there. Another interesting note. Nowhere's on this light are any labels. I know American-made products got to have labels showing you what type of battery, UL listing, manufacturer, all those warning labels. This thing doesn't even have the name of the company on there. Another important thing to pay attention to is right there on top of this, it says hot with a warning triangle, which means, I'm guessing if this thing is on high for a long period, this part up here is aluminum, that'll get hot. But that is bright, medium, low. If you are working at home on a very small, intricate something or another, and you need that extra light to see, boom, look at that. I can see really good there. Medium, low, medium is good. If you are working in a shop and you're welding and grinding, you can set this up somehow to put this right down on here. Let's go out into the garage and see if we can come up with a couple of scenarios where this would be beneficial. Okay, so check this out. My light, and I'm doing a very small, intricate working on here where I'm doing some detailed work. Perfect. You don't need your kid to be holding a flashlight for you, and you know how that is. Kids hold a flashlight like this. Where I think this would really be great for is if you got a barbecue. I don't have an outside barbecue. This would be really good for an outside barbecue because it throws light really far. And up close, it is really bright. Are you one of those van lifers, poor unfortunate people that are living out of your vehicle and you're cooking and eating at the back of it like this right here? Boom, put a light up. Look how bright that is. Look how bright. High, medium, low, off. Magnets on here. Magnets work good. We like magnets. Set this up, boom, it's off the table. Pretty sweet. It's adjustable, pointable, and that's medium, that's low. Again, high, medium, low, off. Oh man, I need to work on my truck. It's so dark over here. Well, watch this. Look at that. Now I can see what I'm doing, working on here. Look at that light. This is a very handy light. I like it. Okay, no auxiliary lighting on the camera. Got some ambient light coming in through the windows. Let's see how bright this is on a wall like this. And the flood. So here I am, right up against the wall. Look at this. Now I come back. That shows you right there how bright it is. And I keep coming back and back. That's I want to say a 9-foot garage door. So I'm about 4 feet away from the door and I've got the whole thing lit up. So if you are installing sheetrock in a house that's got no light, boom, look at this. That gets pretty good from a distance that you can set it up, mount it to something magnetic, metal, and light up your stuff. That's medium, which is a little bit better for looking into the light. That's low. That's still pretty good. Okay, as I am looking for places to use this, I found the place that I know I'm going to probably use this the most. Occasionally, I need to blow snow in the twilight hours, even after dark. My snowplow now has a headlight. I can mount this anywheres. Look at that, right there. Boom, point it down and over the direction of my chute. I went from liking this to loving this. Check this out. Links will be in the description if you're interested. I'm out of here. See ya.